Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and back cover on the Huawei P30 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has done, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and then apply heat to the camera lens area from the front. Next, take out the broken lens by applying force from the rear side of the lens. If your lens has many cracks, gently take out pieces. Next, clean the surface and then place and secure the new lens with adhesive. There are a few different replacement parts are available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame, or camera lens without the frame, or back cover with the camera lens installed. Another method, you can take out the lens with the frame. Apply heat to the lens area from the rear side. And then push from the front side to remove the lens with the frame. Next, place the new camera lens with the frame by applying glue. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.